everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video, we are exploring the world of crochet neck warmers, designs, ideas. Hope so you like this video and different collections. So please watch this video till end without skip, and tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload next video about your comment. Stay warm and stylish with these cozy crochet warm and amazing neck warmer ideas. First up, we have a beautiful neck warmer perfect for the cold season. Next, we are showcase the beautiful and amazing crochet neck warmer with a luxury touch with tassels, pom-pom, flowers, beads, pearls, stones, button, and many different accessories. You use and decor your neck warmers easily. When choose your yarn, your neck warmer, and make these all the ideas with the help of different crochet hook, size, and yarn. Experiment with different yarn, color, and embellishments like button, beads, pearls, stones, applique work, beads, pearls, tassels, pom-pom, flowers, and many different accessories to create a unique and personalized neck warmers look. And use a stitch maker to keep track of your place in the pattern. Experiment with different yarn, and that's it. Our top crochet neck warmers is ready to wear. Ideas keep your warm and stylish. If you want more information, I will explain you full detail with step by step in my next video. So please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more crochet ideas, full DIY tutorial, full detailed videos. Please be share your creativity with us on different social media accounts using hashtag. Check out our next more videos about crochet work and knitting work. Which neck warmer is your favorite? Share you in the comment below. I will upload next video about your comment. Okay viewers, be share your creativity with us, and if you want to buy this, you visit many different websites such as Zaraz.pk, AliExpress, Etsy.com, Clicky, and my official website Be Patron. You visit and order your favorite design and pattern ideas easily. See you in the next video. Please be share your creativity with us and like this video and share with your friends, relatives, customers, crochet work experts, and others. Okay viewers, take care. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.